Hey everybody, Chris here with another unboxing video. Today I have a ton of perishable items, so I really need to get to it before they melt. So without further ado.
Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
Corny, I know. Alright, so the first one we have here is this big, heavy box from Vegan Essentials. I'm excited about this one. My buddies over at Vegan Essentials sent me this box of goodies. So Vegan Essentials, if you don't know, is kind of like a small little vegan Amazon. You can order just about every vegan product here. If you can't find it in a store, you can usually find it on here. I'm excited to see what's in there. Alright, so the first thing we have is this cherry cotton candy. Cherry cotton candy. Get fluffed up fairy floss. Certified vegan. There you go. Cotton candy. The next thing we have is plant parm. I'm always excited to see new items, and this one I haven't seen. So, soy-free, dairy-free, oil-free. It's a vegan parmesan, and it is made up of cashew, nutritional yeast, and some spices. All right, next we have vegetarian marshmallows. By the way, everything at Vegan Essentials is vegan, so these are vegan. Strawberry marshmallows. Never heard of those either. Vegetarian and vegan, no artificial colors, gluten-free, egg and dairy-free. Of course, Noble jerky. I love vegan jerky. The ingredients are soy protein. Cool. I'm excited to try that out. There's also something else in here. What is this? Fig salami. Dried Greek figs, smoked paprika, Aleppo pepper. GMO-free, no added sugar, gluten-free. Vegan chocolate. I love the packaging here. This is Chocolate Stella. Original Swiss quality, organic and fair trade. I hope the chocolate tastes just as good as the packaging looks. And then the next thing is Sweet Smith Candy Co. Traditional peanut brittle. Okay, there's still more. This must be their frozen bag. We're gonna have to do some surgery here. Chia. Is it vegan, gluten-free, soy-free? I think it's just like a vegan cheese, like a cheesy sauce. Oh, it's potatoes, water, carrots. So this is like a healthy cheesy sauce. And then we have Pride and Joy Radical Rainbow Cookies. All natural, plant-based, gluten-free. So this is called Virgin Cheese, organic, vegan, artisan. And it's sharp white cheddar. I'm always down to try some new vegan cheese. And then we got some ground beef by Abbott's Butcher. These guys actually sent me a bunch of their stuff last year or maybe 2 years ago. But so I did try that. That's actually in one of my older videos, unboxing videos. Oh, this is straight from a bakery. Gotta do some surgery. Vegan cherry Kringle. I'm not really sure what this is. This is like a pastry, vegan pastry. Larson Bakery, Racine's Original Kringle. There you go. We got a couple more things here. Corned beef. Vegan corned beef. It's probably like a seitan. Yes, it's a seitan. Vital wheat gluten. And then last but not least, we have vegan bacon. Dairy-free, no MSG, no trans fat, low carbs. This is textured soybean protein, wheat protein, concentrate. I'm excited to try that. I'm always excited to try new products out. So big thanks to Vegan Essentials for the care package. And I believe I have a little discount code if you guys want to go shop on Vegan Essentials. Something that I know that they carry that I don't see here is the Vago bar. They sell over in Europe. Germany is where I found it, and it's my favorite chocolate. It's like a big, thick, vegan milk chocolate with roasted hazelnuts in it. It's so good. They also have like a spread, like a Nutella spread. Definitely be on the lookout for those. I know Vegan Essentials carry them. Next frozen package is from Meatless Butcher. We got a bunch of stuff in here. Let's see what we have. We have double sliders, fillets, garlic herb butter, hearty chili, herb fillet, meatballs, super burgers, and taco crumbles. Now, I met this guy at the New England Veg Fest last year, a couple years ago, and he fixed me a burger, and it was really good. There's the sliders right there. We got some meatballs, bunch of burgers. All right, so thanks so much, Freshies. Meatless Butcher. This is from Taylor, who I know from expos. All the expos, East, West. Ooh, new flavors from Nadamu. Where's Cesar when you need him? Ta-da! Birthday cake cookie dough, because they know this is one of my favorites. That's not the new one, but banana caramel crunch. That's one of the new ones. Marshmallow Stardust. That sounds really cool. This sounds like, I don't know, like a magical concoction. And then we have peach cobbler. Oh, I have a story about peach cobbler. Maybe I'll tell it sometime. Caramel cold brew and cookies. We are overtaken by Nadamu. Look at that. Brand new Nadamu in the house, vegan zombie. Thanks guys over at Nadamu. I'm looking forward to trying this out and seeing it in stores near me and you. It says marshmallow stardust tastes like Lucky Charms. And peach cobbler is a fruity peach base mixed with flavorful pie crust pieces. And the banana caramel crunch is a creamy banana base, a decadent caramel swirl mixed with graham cracker pieces. They all sound really good. I guess it's the unboxing of ice cream, because we have another frozen Arctic ice cream right here. This is an Arctic Zero non-dairy, low-calorie ice cream. These are just product that I'm opening and sharing with you guys to let you know what exists out there that's vegan. These are not reviews or taste tests either. They're simply showing you guys if you guys are interested in ordering any of these or buying them, or to what to look out for if something catches your eye. Arctic Zero ice creams. We have these are all vegan. These are chocolate peanut butter. That one sounds like my favorite already. But then again, we have brownie blast, so that also sounds like my favorite. And then we have some cookie dough chunk, which also sounds like my favorite. Purely chocolate. Okay, whoever created these know my taste, so these all sound really, really good. And then cherry chocolate chunk. Lots of chocolatey flavors in here, and I love chocolate, so I'm excited to try those. Arctic Zero. Alright, so now we're on to packages that are not perishable. So what do you think? Should I leave the ice cream on until the end of the video? I think we can do it. Okay, so this is not perishable. Let's just open that right up, right away. Green print, Marco Borges. Thanks for the love and support. Enclosed you will find a copy of the latest book. Hope you enjoy it. You Are the Green Light, Marco. Introduction by Jay-Z and Beyonce. So Marco is the creator and founder of 22 Day Nutrition. He's got quotes from Steve Harvey, Rich Roll, Dean Ornish, Beyonce, Jay-Z, and Neil Bernard. There's a lot of recipes in here. A lot of very nice, colorful recipes. I'm excited to check this book out. So thank you, Marco. And if you guys haven't heard of 22 Day Nutrition, definitely check them out. They have some of my favorite products. Made in Nature. Nature Mother Load, plant-based, USDA certified organic, no artificial flavors or colors or sweeteners, non-GMO, natural, no-nonsense nutrition. Let's see what they got. We have some Figgy Pops, mocha almond super snacks, Nutter and jelly, and then what's the other one? Mocha almond, another Nutter and jelly, and chocolate crunch, cocoa crunch. So these are little snacks, little cocoa crunch Figgy Pops. Cocoa, cherries, dates, figs, power seeds, coconut, cacao nibs. Thank you, Made in Nature. All right, we have 2 packages left. We have a box, what's in the box, and we have a little envelope. All the way from Garden Grove. Okay, let's see what's in here. We have hemp infused Canada penne. It's vegan, durum wheat flour, organic hemp flour, and water. Very simple ingredients. And then we have the pasta rosa. These look nice and fancy, to be honest. What do you think? And the name of the company is what? Made in the USA, Canada Farm. Oh, Canapa, not Canada. Canapa. Canapa Farms Hemp. Sorry, I got that wrong there, but Canapa Farms. And now that brings us to the very last package. Tags for rescue. It says vegan right on it, and it's a little little dog print on, little paw print on the front. Let's see what's inside. Tags for rescue. Dog tag, brass with original rivets, full leather. It's a 1972 York County, Pennsylvania. Okay, so York, 1972. So, and then the back looks like that. Put it on with all my others. Should I put it on the other arm since this one's already filled? I never really put anything on this arm, so it might feel weird. All right, now I got double the. Tags for Rescue also donates a portion of the proceeds for a nonprofit animal shelter. The tags have now been repurposed into a piece of handmade jewelry to help rescue animals from their shelters. Cool. I love that idea. Thank you. Thank you for this. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you guys liked it, give me that thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss notifications. If you have something you'd like me to open on the show, the address is below. Make sure it's vegan. And as always, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time.